Welcome to your SJ Aspires portal sign-in page. You'll sign in with your email address plus .aspires. If you ever need help remembering your username, just reach out to aspires@sjlibrary.org. Once you sign in, you will see your SJ Aspires community portal. Use this portal to claim and track your SJ Aspires Scholar Dollars. With SJ Aspires, you can claim up to $5,000 to use towards education after high school. On the home page, you'll see an overview of your SJ Aspires awards and your standing. You'll be able to see both your core and supplemental award totals. With SJ Aspires, you can claim up to $3,000 in core awards and $2,000 in supplemental awards. Core awards are those things that you'll probably have to do if you're going to college, and supplemental awards are those extra activities unique to your interests, like joining a club or playing a sport. Scroll down to see a dashboard of different awards you can still earn, the awards that are in review, and any awards that need additional documents. When you have awards that need documents, you'll see that this tab will turn red. No matter where you are in your portal, you'll always see your Scholar Dollars tracker up here in the right-hand corner. When you have a notification, you'll see a red dot by this bell. You can click the bell to read through any new notifications. You can see and update your personal information here on your profile page. When you're ready to claim an award, head to the Awards tab. Here, you'll be able to search through all the awards that can be earned. When you head to the tab, you'll see all the awards available to you in your current grade. You can use the filters at the top of the page to sort by award type, explore other grades, see awards that are in progress or completed, and view your favorites. I recommend using the star in the corner of each award to save any awards you're interested in claiming to your favorites list so that they are easier to find once you come back to them. To claim an award, all you have to do is click on one you'd like to view to open up the award card. The award card will tell you what the requirements are to claim the award, along with any restrictions and how many Scholar Dollars you can receive from that award. To claim the award, you'll need to submit a digital file that shows you've completed the requested activity. For example, if you're going to claim the Create a Big Future Account award, you'll upload a screenshot of your Big Future profile page. Once you have your evidence file ready, open the award you want to claim and use the button to upload your file. You'll see a pop-up box that shows your upload is complete, and you'll be able to see by using the filters at the top of the page that the award went from not started to in review. Our staff team will then review the file you submitted, and if it looks good, they will approve the award and you'll see the total added to your Scholar Dollars counter. Make sure you're checking your email and notifications after you upload a file in case you need to upload additional documentation. You'll see that some awards have a second option to claim them called Submit Form. These awards are ones that either ask you to complete a few informational fields or are awards that someone else like a coach, a teacher, or a counselor can verify, like the Play on an Athletics Team award. To use this option to claim the award, you'll just need to click the button and then complete the form with the requested information. If the form asks for the contact information of someone to verify the award for you, that person will receive an email asking them to confirm your participation. To learn how to collect your Scholar Dollars, click on the Scholar Dollars Account tab. If you click here, you'll be taken to the Citibank website where you can see your account. For good resources to learn more about career paths in college, click the Knowledge Center tab. If you have any questions about claiming an award, don't hesitate to reach out to the Aspires team at aspires@sjlibrary.org. Good luck claiming awards!